Class 10th. Let's do elimination method today. This is second algebraic method of solving pair of linear equations in two variables. First being we have already discussed substitution method. Now I'm going to start with an example of questions from exercise 3.4. First part I have taken x plus y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Elimination method, as the name suggests, we have to first of all eliminate any one variable out of the two variables. I am going to do it below, but again I am telling, like, there are two variables x and y in both the equations. Our purpose is to eliminate any one of them. And what is the method to eliminate any one of them? The method is to make coefficient of any of the two equal, either of x or y. How? See here. So here I am going to do it with making coefficient of x equal. How? This is first equation, this is your second equation. Now can you see that in first equation the coefficient of x is what? 1, and here it is 2. I want to make coefficient of x 2 in this equation also. So for that I will multiply the whole first equation with 2, as I have done it here. So multiplying the whole first equation with 2, the first equation becomes this: 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. This also will be multiplied with 2. So this becomes the first equation. Second equation I have written no change. So no change. But now what to do? Next step, important step, is we have to change the signs of all the terms. Since 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, but signs of only the equation written at the second place. So this is plus 2x becomes minus 3y plus 3y plus 4 becomes minus. Now what happened? This will cancel. 2x plus minus 2x cancel. Now what you are left with? 2y plus 3y. It is not now minus 3y. It is now plus 3y. 2y plus 3y is 5y. 10 minus 4 is 6. So y is equal to what? 6 by 5. Now put this value of y in any one of the equations, either 1 or 2. I have put in 1. So 1 was what? X plus y is equal to 5. So here it becomes x plus value of y is equal to 5. Solving it, you can pause the video and see how I have solved it by just taking LCM. Now you can do the same question by making coefficients of y equal also, and same answer you will get. So I have shown it here. This was your first equation, second equation. What is your coefficient of y here? 3. I want to make this also 3. So for that I have multiplied first equation with 3. Whole first equation with 3. It becomes what? 3x plus 3y is equal to 15, as I have shown. Second equation, sorry, as it is, no change. Now can you see here I have changed the signs. Here I have changed the signs because the sign of 2x to x was same. To cut I have to change the sign. But here in this equation already their signs are opposite. So no need to change the sign. So sign changing or not changing will depend on the variable which we are going to cut. This can directly be cancelled. So if on cancelling, I am cancelling it. No need to change sign. Since signs are not changed, sign will not be changed in any other term also. So it becomes 3x plus 2x 5x, 15 plus 4 19. So x is equal to 19 by 5. So earlier also we have got x is equal to 19 by 5 in this, by this method. And putting x is equal to 19 by 5 in any one of the first or second equation, you can get y, and that will also be equal to 6 by 5, which you have already got it. So both the methods are same. You can go with any method. Now let's move on to one more example I have taken. Fourth part of first question. This is the equation. So first of all I have to take LCM. I have taken LCM and cross multiplying this. I have got it. This, now cross multiplying this becomes the proper form of the first equation. Though it was given like this, after taking LCM this becomes this. Now second equation was this. Now again taking LCM and bringing it to proper form, this becomes this. Now first equation, second equation. Can you notice one thing? Already coefficient of x are same, 3x and 3x. So no need to change. So no need to multiply any equation with any number. So directly we can start, but to cut them I have to change the signs because their signs are same. So I have changed the signs minus. If I have to change the sign here, so I have to change the sign of every term. So it is cancelled. Plus 4y plus y 5y. This is minus x minus 9 minus 15. y becomes what? Minus 15 by 5 is minus 3. Now you can put the value of y in either 1 or 2 and you can get x. Now one word problem I have taken, question number 2 of second part, 5 years ago. You can read the equation, question yourself. I am going to start with it. 5 years ago, reading it. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. Now, how old are Sonu and Noori? Now, what do we do is, beta, since we have to find out the ages of Noori and Sonu, so I have suppose them as, let Noori's age be X, Sonu's age be Y. We have to talk about 5 years ago. In the question, it is 5 years ago. So I've taken 5 years ago. Today, if your age is suppose 14 years, 5 years ago will be what? 14 minus 5. So similarly, Noori's age today is X, so her age will be X minus 5. Similarly, Sonu's age will be Y minus 5. Now see, he said 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. That is, Noori उस टाइम 3 times ज़्यादा थी सोनू से. नूरी तो ऑलरेडी 3 times ज़्यादा थी. तो टू मेक देम इक्वल, हमको नूरी की एज को वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई, सोनूज एज विथ 3, बिकॉज नूरी वॉज ऑलरेडी 3 times मोर. So to make them equal, I have multiplied Sonu's age with 3. So this is important step. So multiplying it with 3. So opening it, we got it. Now bringing this variables on one side and like terms of constants on other side, we got this equation. This solving like terms, we got it. So this is our first equation. Now second is the case 10 years later. Suppose today your age is 14, so after 10 years it will be 14 plus 10. Similarly, Noori's today's age is X, so after 10 it will be X plus 10. Sonu's age Y plus 10. Now if you read the question, it is written that Noori will be twice as old as Sonu at that time. तो नूरी तो उस टाइम डबल होगी उससे ट्वाइस. तो नूरी की तो पहले ही डबल है. तो टू मेक देम इक्वल, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई द एज ऑफ सोनू विद 2. सो आई हैव डन इट हियर. Again, you can pause the video and check the steps I have done here. So this becomes second equation. Now can you see these are the two equations, but by again coefficients of x is already equal. So no need to do anything, just start. But to cut them, what is it? Sign should be changed, so changed, and it is cancelled. Now sign of this change, this if I have to change, then sign of every term I have to change. Now minus cy plus 2y become minus y, minus 10, minus 10, minus 20, minus on both sides will be cancelled. Y is equal to 20. That is Sonu's present age is 20 years old. And putting in any one of the equation 1 or 2, I get the value of x also. So I put it in first equation, putting the value of y, solving it. You can pause the video and you can check it yourself how I have solved, taking easy steps are there. So x is equal to 50. That is, so Noori's age at present is 50 years old. Now try rest all questions yourself. Today is your Zoom class also. Try to bring me problems at that time also. So all the best.